When you're looking to withdraw from your 401k, it's crucial to understand how to use tax strategies to avoid costly penalties. Withdrawing early or not knowing the right steps can result in hefty fines and leave you in a worse financial situation than before. In this video, I'll guide you through strategies to help you avoid these penalties and get the most out of your 401k savings. Stay tuned, because I'm also going to show you how gold IRAs can help protect your wealth, especially if you're serious about preserving your retirement savings. Before we dive into tax strategies, let's talk about why penalties happen. If you withdraw from your 401k before the age of 59 and a half, the IRS usually slaps you with a 10% early withdrawal penalty, in addition to any taxes you owe on the money. That's a big chunk of your hard-earned savings, so you want to avoid that if at all possible. But here's the good news. There are ways to avoid those penalties if you plan it right. The first thing you need to understand is the 401k withdrawal rules. Once you hit 59 and a half, you can withdraw funds from your 401k without penalties. However, you'll still owe regular income taxes on the distribution, which can add up quickly if you're not strategic. A common mistake retirees make is thinking that all withdrawals are taxed the same, but that's not always the case. Depending on the type of account and your financial situation, you can minimize the tax impact by carefully selecting when and how you take money out. For example, you could consider substantially equal periodic payments, or SEPs, as a strategy for avoiding the early withdrawal penalty. This method allows you to take distributions before 59 and a half, but they must be part of a consistent withdrawal plan over a period of 5 years, or until you reach 59 and a half, whichever comes later. It's a bit more complex, but it's an option to keep in mind if you need access to your funds earlier than expected. Another great strategy is using your 401k to fund healthcare costs through a health savings account, HSA, or taking advantage of a qualified charitable distribution, QCD. By taking advantage of QCDs, you can donate funds directly to a qualified charity, which allows you to skip the taxes and the penalty. For those of you who are serious about avoiding penalties and taxes, this could be an excellent option if you want to donate part of your retirement savings to a cause while reducing your taxable income. If you're really looking to avoid taxes and penalties in the long term, I want to mention gold IRAs. They're a fantastic option for retirees like yourself, especially if you're trying to safeguard your wealth against the volatility of the stock market or rising inflation. A gold IRA offers you tax-deferred growth, meaning your assets can grow without being taxed until you withdraw them. And for those of you with significant savings, such as $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings, a gold IRA could be an invaluable tool to protect your wealth. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that will show you exactly how this strategy works. Back to the tax strategies. Another common strategy to avoid penalties is Roth IRA conversions. If you have a 401k or traditional IRA, you could convert some or all of your funds into a Roth IRA, which grows tax-free. While you will pay taxes on the conversion amount in the year you do it, once the funds are in the Roth IRA, you can withdraw them tax-free later on. This strategy works best for those who expect their taxes to go up in the future or want to avoid the required minimum distribution, RMD, rules that come with a traditional 401k. To wrap up, there are plenty of ways to avoid the penalties and taxes on your 401k withdrawals, but it's all about knowing your options. Whether it's using SEPs, charitable distributions, or taking advantage of tax-deferred accounts like gold IRAs, there are strategies that can save you money. If you're interested in making sure you're on the best path to protecting your wealth, especially if you've got $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, don't forget to grab the free gold IRA guide linked below. Trust me, it's a game changer for securing your financial future. In conclusion, you've got a lot of options to avoid those nasty penalties, and if you take the right steps, you can protect your retirement savings while making sure you're not paying more than you need to. For those of you with significant wealth, gold IRAs are a top strategy. If you're serious about safeguarding your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to check out that free guide. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more expert tips to help you navigate your retirement planning.